Hi friends, welcome to Global Used Car Trading. Today I'm gonna introduce you 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC220d 4MATIC Premium with carbon side blue color. Total odometer 136,000 kilometers. Owned by 2 previous owners with accident free. Please follow me. So let me begin with the front view of the vehicle. Nice Mercedes-Benz emblem over here and here. Headlamp is nice. And there are parking sensors are integrated into the lower bumper. The silver tone moldings matches well with its entire blue color. In front rim and tire, very nice. Nice side repeater and to the flag. And it has the panoramic sunroof on the roof. Rear wheel and tire condition is very nice. And tire condition is stress left over 80%. Rear view, very strong tail lamp and the rear wiper. GLC220 diesel with 4MATIC. In the lower part of the bumper is silver tone. Nice. I see no scratches, no chips, no dents, and also the under part of the lower bumper has the parking sensors. The rear tire wheel, zero scratches. Rear entrance, diesel, and all windows are black tinted. Now let's look inside the engine hood. With the sounds of the vehicle. Very stable and reliable. Engine room condition is very clean. I find no leakage of any oil or fluid. Let me step inside the car. So let me perform the stock test. Acceleration. Once again. Steering wheel. No interference. Smooth. Changing the gear. Neutral. Drive, park, reverse, and it's connected to the rear parking sensor and the rear camera. Neutral, drive, park, reverse, neutral, drive, park. No shock. Electric side mirror, working fine. Power window, front and the back. And panorama sunroof. One touch, it opens smooth. Close. Wonderful. And the electric power seat for the driver and passenger. Move forward, move back. Back tilting also working fine. Headrest up and down, working good. Memory seat, all buttons, box as it was set. Heated seat, working fine. And the passenger seat, move back and forward, back, tilting back, tilting forward. Headrest going up, down. Heated seat, working fine. Power window also working good. Locking system, good. In the cluster, there are two circle type analog clusters each side, and in the middle there is a large digital clusters showing the current gear position and outside temperature and time. And the buttons in the steering wheel half working all fine. Navigation, radio, media, telephone, assistant status, service, and setup are working fine. We have a pedal shift underneath the steering wheel for the manual gear shifting. Right. And this is the large infotainment screen and 3 airbags in the middle and one each of the left and the right side, and the climate control. And there are physical buttons for the menu. Navigation, radio, media can be connected to your Bluetooth device, telephone, and car status. So we can see the fuel efficiency, and we can choose the dynamic selects, vehicle function and time, in the manual, and so on. Storage box over here, and it has 2 cup holders and 1 cigarette jack socket. Using this up and down switch, we can select the drive mode: individual, sport plus, sport, comfort, eco. All good. And stop and go function on off, and volume controller and display on off like this, and VDC off, so it shows the sign of the VDC off on. All right, the console box opens like this. Glove box with Mercedes-Benz certified manual. All right, and lightning for the front, all working great. Okay, now let me move to the rear seat. We have speakers are integrated into each side of the rear door. Heated seat, full power window, working fine. Left side, good. Heated seat, great. 2 air vent with a controller. Storage space, right. And seat condition is very clean. No dirt, no tear. Armrest, cup holder, and storage space. Great. And in the loop, we have a window to look on the sky like this. And this is how it viewed from the passenger seat. Friends, that was the review and introduction of Mercedes-Benz 220d 4MATIC Premium with total odometer 136,000 kilometers, carbon side, blue color. If you are interested in this vehicle, don't hesitate to WhatsApp me. I will see you in my next video post. See you.